That can feel like a hidden tax that creeps into every purchase. Whether you're in the UK or Canada, knowing how to calculate it is a game changer, especially for small business owners, freelancers, and smart consumers. Stick around, because in this video, we're breaking it all down with real-life examples and showing you exactly how to do it yourself, step by step. So we've got our very own expert, who's a data analyst. Over to you, Jack.
Thanks, West. So let's break it down with some real-life examples. First, VAT, or value-added tax, is applied to most goods and services in many countries. But here's the twist. In Canada, they call it GST or HST, depending on your province. The UK, the standard VAT rate is 20%. In Canada, there's 5% GST, and in some provinces, it combines with local tax to become HST up to 15% total. Let's start with the UK. Say you're a freelance graphic designer charging €500 for a logo design. If you're VAT registered, you need to add VAT to your invoice. How it works: €100 times 0.20, €100 VAT. Total invoice: €600.
So your client pays €600, right?
Exactly. Your client pays €600. You keep €500, and the €100 goes straight to the government, not your pocket.
But Jack, what if the VAT is already included in the price, say, that same €600 invoice?
Great point. To extract VAT from a VAT-inclusive price, you use this formula. Price times VAT rate divided by 100 plus VAT rate. So, in this case, 600 times 200 divided by 120 equals €100 VAT. Easy, right?
Crystal clear. Now, what about Canada?
Good question. In Canada, here's how the tax system breaks down. Alberta, 5% GST. Ontario, 13% HST. Nova Scotia, 15% HST. British Columbia, 5% GST plus 7% PST, charged separately. For example, you're charging $1,000 for a service in Ontario, where the HST is 13%. 1,000 times 0.13 equals $130 HST. Total invoice, $130. Again, $1,000 is your income, and $130 is the tax you send to the government. In Alberta, with just 5% GST, $1,000 times 0.05 equals $50 GST. Total, $1,050.
And if the tax is already included, like, say the client already paid you $1,130 in Ontario?
Same principle. You'd extract the HST like this: 130 times 13 divided by 113 equals $130 HST.
Nice and simple. Thank you very much, Jack. Quick recap. UK VAT, 20%. Canada GST, 5%. Canada HST, 13 to 15%, depending on province. Reverse VAT formula: total times VAT rate divided by 100 plus VAT rate. Always remember, separate the tax portion from your income, whether you're invoicing clients, pricing products, or just being an informed buyer. Understanding VAT helps you avoid mistakes and saves you money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more finance simplified content.